We're asked to find the perimeter of this right triangle. And you need to kind of stop and think about what that means. To find the perimeter, you need to know all three side lengths. So we're given 9.6, we found 14, and we don't know the other side length. So we do, however, have the capacity to figure out the other side length using the Pythagorean theorem. So that's our plan. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse, C, and then use that to find the perimeter by adding the three side lengths. So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and 9.5 squared plus 14 squared equals c squared. So you have 90.25 plus 196 equal to c squared, and that gives us 286.25 equal to c squared. So we need to take the square root of each side, and at this point we are going to want to work with an approximation because it's not super useful to be like, let's add the square root of 286.25 to 14 and 9.5. So what we know is that the square root of 286.25 is somewhere between 16 and 17, and it's closer to 16.9 squared than 17 squared. So the approximate length of the hypotenuse, what we're going to use, is 16.9. So now I have my three side lengths. I have the 14 plus 9.5 plus 16.9, and when I add those together, that's giving me 40.4 centimeters, and so that gives us, and it's an approximation, but it gives us the perimeter of this triangle.